Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be solving a program which prompts the user to enter marks in 3 subjects and will display remark according to average percentage. So we have import java.util.scanner. We have the importing the scanner class, which prompts the user to enter a value. And then the scanner class is part of the util subpackage, which in turn is the part of a Java main package. And the keyword over here used is import. Now we have class remark, or in short, class initialization. At the start of this class initialization, you may add public also, but if you don't even write public, that's fine. And then we have the bracket, which prompts the program to start a new block of code. And then we have the main method initialization, which prompts the program to compile itself. Public static void main string arguments, and then the bracket, which prompts the program to start another block of code. Then we have the variable initialization in the first 3 lines. So we have string name, int fee, physics, maths, and chemistry. And then we have double average, 0.0. We are assigning a default value to average, which will be used throughout the program until average attains a new value. So if average attains a new value, say 10, so average new value will be 10. It won't be 0.0. In this case, it will be 10.0 or any decimal value because its data type is double. And then we'll have total marks, or TOTM. It's a short form abbreviation. Now in the 9th line, we have scanner. Scan is equal to new scanner. As I said in my previous few videos, if you haven't watched those videos, please do. System.in is used to accept the input stream from the keyboard, which the user will enter. So if you say, for example, if on the terminal window, they've asked, please enter your name. In the terminal window, they said, please enter your name. And if you enter, say, for example, you want to enter John. So the first letter that you enter, J, will be the input stream from the keyboard, which is the letter J, and the system.in package will accept that input stream. Scan is the variable which stores the reference address of the scanner object and whatever value is assigned to scan. And then we have system.out or println or SOP. Inside double asterisk, you have please enter your name. So this will be printed on the terminal window as it is. Then we have name of data type string is equal to scan.nextLine. NextLine is a method which accepts the data type in string form. So say, for example, if I have to write John, so this is a string form and the next line will help to read the data in string form. Now say, for example, if I've written next line and I write 1, 2, 3. So nextLine method is only used to accept string data types from the user. It's not used to accept integer data types. If you want to use integer data types, you can use the nextInt method as it is in 13th line, 15th line, and 17th line. Okay, now let's move on to TOTM, or total marks is equal to physics plus maths plus chem. So you are taking the total marks in each of these 3 subjects, and the average is total marks into 100 upon 60. We've taken 60 over here because it is out of 20. So 3 into 2 is 60. 3 into 20 is 60. So therefore, I've taken the total marks as 60. And averages total marks upon 60. So say, for example, total marks I've got 40. So 40 upon 60, attained marks upon total marks into 100. So this would have its own average marks, and this would be the average AVG type. Now, one more thing to remember, this is the double data type. This is the double data type. And as we've seen over here, the value that we would get, say, for example, by a ref estimation, we get 66.6%. So the value will be in double data type, because if you had assigned int data type to AVG, so instead of 66.66, you would only get 66 as a return value. Now, because this is double data type, so the answer will be in decimal. So 66.66 would be the correct answer. Now let's scroll down a bit. Now we have the conditional operators, and let's see how they work. So system.out.println or the SOP package, AVG plus percentage. So whatever average you get, so say, for example, I had got then 66.66% in the earlier case, and I'm adding percent over here. So this would be percent. Now note that the addition function over here adds as a concatenation function. It doesn't act as a mathematical function. So you would have 1 plus 1. So this is one use of a addition function, and it adds these 2 numbers. And there is another case wherein you add both components. This is component number 1, and this is component number 2. So this percentage will be printed on the terminal as it is, and the AVG value will be printed on 66 with AVG value is 66.66. It is not 66.66%. This will only come afterwards. So the AVG value on calculation, because earlier we had calculated AVG as 66.66% when I had assumed total marks to be 40. So AVG value will be 66.66% and this value will be printed over here. The string AVG won't be printed on the terminal window. So please note that. Okay, now let's move on to the conditional construct. We have if average is greater than equal to 90 and average is smaller than equal to 100, then system.out.println is excellent. So this is the percentage. So if you got above 90% or less than equal to 100%, so it would be excellent. Now, if you have gotten 95%, it is greater than 90 and it is less than 100%. So you will get excellent and the rest of the conditional constructs will be deactivated. They won't be activated. Okay, and now let's move on to the next conditional construct. If average is greater than 60% and average is smaller than 90%, so it will be very good. Now in this case, I have gotten 66.66%, so I would get very good. So the rest of the conditional constructs won't be activated. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned and enjoyed this video. This video will be uploaded on IsEqualTo Klasses Shivan, so be sure to check the channel out. You will get other videos covering various subjects such as history, geography, and computer videos too. So stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.